In this video, I'll show you two solutions if your Fire Stick is stuck. If it's frozen, nothing is responsive, you can't do anything. So I'll show you two ways to fix this problem. So let's get started. The first and easiest solution is to take the remote control and press the middle, the circle there, and the play pause button at the same time during 10 seconds. Sometimes it's even 15 seconds. Keep them pressed, and your Fire Stick will shut down and restart. Nothing will be lost, it will just perform a normal restart and everything should be back working again. Now, if this solution didn't work while your TV is on, go back and remove the HDMI port where the Fire Stick was connected. Okay, this is my Fire Stick over here. And we'll also remove the extension here, as well as the power cord that was connected to the Fire Stick. Just unplug it, like this. Okay, now we have our Fire Stick. Place this apart. Go and remove the power brick, the charger, from the wall socket, and you'll have to wait at least 10 minutes. Okay, let everything sit, go do something else, and once the time has passed, connect everything back together the way it was. I hope this was useful. If it was, well, leave a thumbs up, a like. If not, well, still leave a like. I'll really appreciate. If you have another way to fix this problem, please type the solution down below. I'm sure somebody out there will be grateful for this. If not, well, I'll see you in the next one.